Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Dear students, today we discuss the grade 10's maths chapter number 1, quadratic equations. To understand quadratic equations, we must know about the linear equations. What are linear equations? As we studied before, if the highest power of the variables is 1 is called linear equation. For example, if we write ax plus by is equals to c, the highest power of the variables here, x and y are the variables, so x and y have the high power only 1, so this equation is called linear equation, where a, b, c are constants. A is the coefficient of x and b is the coefficient of y and c is any kind of constant. So remember, linear equation, if the highest power of the variables involved in the equation is 1 is called linear equation. So about quadratic equation, how we discuss it: if the highest power of the variable is 2, if the highest power of the variables is 2 is called quadratic equation. Suppose we take it ax square plus by square is equals to c. In this equation, variable x have the power 2, variable y have the power 2. This equation is called quadratic equation, where a, b, c are constants. A is the coefficient of x square, b is the coefficient of y square, and c is any kind of constant. Now, quadratic equations have two types. Number 1, standard quadratic form, and second one is pure quadratic form. Standard quadratic form is ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0, while pure quadratic form is ax square plus c equals to 0. What is the difference in these two equations? Standard quadratic equation shows that the highest power of this equation is 2. So in this equation we have x power 1 as well. So x square, x and constant equals to 0 is called standard quadratic form or standard quadratic equation, while in pure quadratic form we have ax square plus c. Bx, x linear form is not involved in pure quadratic form, so it is called pure quadratic equation or pure quadratic form. On standard form, we will apply three conditions. Number 1, by factorization. Second, by completing square. square, and number 3 is by quadratic formula. These are the three conditions we apply on the standard form of quadratic equation.